cut in half this $50,000 Rolex watch and I will show you every single bit of it. Welcome back to TakeApart. Not too long ago I was on the hunt for Rolex Watch and came across this GMT Master 2. At the time I had no idea that it was fake. I knew that there is so much fake Rolex watches out there, but didn't realize that there are also great ones. Luckily I spotted some imperfections on this watch and decided to show them to you. First of which, if this is gold, simple scratch should not expose stainless steel. Next is extended GMT hand from our hand. GMT hand should be separate hand. Date numerals printed incorrectly. R markers not aligned properly and massive play in bezel action plus strange click sounds. Also just listen to the manual winding noise. So bad. This watch is screaming fake. I went a bit deeper and opened the watch. Here we have the ugliest and cheapest watch movement I have ever seen. Also, it is surrounded with the stupid plastic washer. Real Rolex watch does not have that nor looks like this. So yeah, before you're going to throw so much money on your new Rolex watch, smash the subscribe button and comment which Rolex model you after. I have made promise that I will destroy every fake Rolex watch that I'll get my hands on, and here we go. Angle grinder against fake Rolex GMT Master 2. We all know who wins this. Clean cut, and I ended up with two halves of this watch. It is amazing how many layers of gears and who knows what else is inside of an automatic watch. Just look at it. Anyway, I did what I promised. Now I just frame these and probably give them away to one of you, so hurry up and subscribe. Also stay tuned for more destruction of Rolex watches.